Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of web development, focusing on HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to help you build and sell websites successfully. Tip number 1, strong foundation. Ensure a solid understanding of HTML for structuring, CSS for styling, and JavaScript for interactivity. A strong foundation is crucial for creating functional and visually appealing websites. Tip number 2, responsive design. Make your websites adaptable to different devices. Responsive design is key for an optimal user experience, increasing the value of your creations. Tip 33, user-friendly navigation. Simplify navigation to enhance user experience. Clear menus and intuitive layouts make your websites more appealing to potential buyers. Tip number 4, performance optimization. Optimize your website's performance for speed. Efficient coding and image compression contribute to faster loading times, improving user satisfaction. Tip number 5, showcase your skills. Create a portfolio showcasing your best work. Highlight diverse projects to demonstrate your versatility as a web developer. By mastering these tips, you'll be on your way to building and selling websites that stand out in the competitive web development market. Bon record. Subscribe for more tips and tutorials on mastering the art of web development. Happy coding!